Hi guys, here's a quick sound test video of MSI 7850 power reduction grab start. And what you're seeing right now is that the fans are actually spinning in the opposite direction to what it normally does. And this is the test removal technology that comes with all the Infosys graphics cards. And moving on to the video, I'm going to set the fan speed to 100% initially, then going to drop the fan speed to 50%, and finally going to drop it even further and set it to default settings. And thank you for watching, guys.